1.
Do you have trouble focusing? Do you constantly need someone to remind you to do your task? Well, you definitely need these apps.
Why? Well, if you forget to do your work, you'll get a 0. If you get a 0, you'll fail your grade. If you fail your grade, you will receive a sandal to the face.
The first app is Notion. Notion is basically an all-in-one workspace for anything and everything. You can personalize your page by setting goals, deadlines, and reminders for yourself, for those who would most likely be forgetful. Additionally, Notion also gives you the ability to create notes and track your to-do list. Aside from the templates provided, you are also able to make your own designs and add bookmarks.
How to use the app.
Let's start with the basics. Before you start with anything, you first need to sign up with a Google account. Notion has a lot of templates that are pre-made, but if you want to start from scratch, I suggest starting with gathering inspo like on Pinterest. After that, you can click the 3 dots in the top right corner and choose the default serif or mono fonts, and proceed to the next step, the features.
The second app is DailyO Journal. This app allows you to create your own private journals. Not only that, you can also keep track of your life and your feelings and see how your mood is improving weekly. So, how do you use this app? Well, firstly, you can select your mood, pick activities, and keep track of your life. Additionally, you can view stats in the calendar, manage your activities, set up daily reminders, and of course, don't forget to lock your diary and set a code after you've finished your diary.
The third app is Minimalist. The app can help you make a to-do list. By making a to-do list, it can remind you to do your work and its deadlines.
How to use the app.
First, open the app, pull the screen down to add notes, set the date for the assignment, slide left to complete it. You can slide right to edit it, shake your phone to clear all the done assignments, and pinch your screen to see other lists.
The fourth app is RefME. Referencing can be a tedious process, especially if you lose track of the books and resources you've used along your research. The app can export references, links into hundreds of different styles, including the most commonly used, such as APA, MLA, Harvard, Chicago, and RSC. So, how do we use this app? Before you start referencing, you must first create a free account on refme.com. Select the project, click the source you want to make a reference, such as book, journals, and etc. Then search via URL or ISBN or enter your references manually. Once the field has been filled, click Save and collect your research on cloud or export.
The last app is photomath. It is an app where you can use to solve all your math problems easily. It is also the most accurate calculator and is able to help to do complex concepts in just a take.
How to use the app.
To start, point the device at the equation. Wait for a few seconds for the equation to scan, then the solution paper appears on your screen. You then can see the steps that were used to solve the equation.
In short, I believe that students should use these apps because these apps are extremely useful for their daily lives, especially Notion, DailyO Journal, and photomath. It helps students to do their work easily and also saves more time by giving them a proper schedule. It also helps us create projects, do maths, and take notes.
Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow our Instagram at rezension_. Email us on rezension.rzn@gmail.com. And once again, we appreciate you all. Thank you and we hope you enjoy this video.